Hey y'all, today's video is going to be an update to my summer project pan. It is the 7 mini summer flings. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to stay on notifications. Also, I'm having a giveaway that ends July 14th, so make sure not to miss that, and I'll leave the link down below. I do have one on Instagram and one here on my channel, so each are separate prizes, and there's going to be one winner for each. So one winner on YouTube and one winner on Instagram. It is US only for now. I might do an international one, but it could be just like a gift card, so you basically get whatever you want. That will be coming, I'm not sure when, but that is definitely an idea that has crossed my mind to cater to my international people. So let's just get into this project pan update. I picked 7 mini products because I am a deluxe size junkie, and although I do have a lot of full-size products, I want to get through my mini size products. I'm just trying to get rid of some of those so I can start working on my full-size ones. Start off with the lip product. I'm going to start off by using, I keep saying starting off. I'm going to start using this Urban Decay waterproof long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Amulet. Let me show you guys the shade of it, but that is the shade Amulet. It's really pretty. It's like a neutral tone rosy shade. When I'm looking at it in here, it looks like it has little tiny glitters in it, but the first one that I was using was the Meet Matte Hughes Committed from the Balm. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of this one because I just cannot work with it. It dries out my lips too much. I've tried with gloss, I've tried with lip balm, and it just feels so cakey and so heavy. So I'm just going to go ahead and declutter this one. And then the one that I switched in place for that one actually was this one. Before I decided to pick up this one, I was using the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat, or if not, this was my first one. I can't remember. This is a swatch of it. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I absolutely love these rosy tone shades. The reason that I want to move on from this one is because I was looking at it and it just feels so dry when I apply it. So when I look in, I could see like my light almost straight through the bottom. I'm just like, man, I'm gonna try to use up a little bit more. I'm gonna just have to start using this Urban Decay one. All right, my nighttime date night lip product that I'm also gonna keep in my purse as well because I love it. It is so lightweight. It's from Trestique and it's the matte lip crayon in the shade Belize Bordeaux. My progress on this has not been that great. I spent all of June not wearing a whole lot of makeup because it was Acne Awareness Month and I just wanted to have literally a full-on natural face. I didn't wear any foundation. All I wore was my highlighter, sometimes this lippy right here, or if not, I wore a gloss. I did wear mascara and I went through some of those as well. My intro line is way up here and then my updated line is kind of down here. There's very little progress there, but you know what? I still have a few more months to go, so it's not over yet. It's just my first updates. I love it. It reapplies so easily, so I'm actually like loving this right here, the formula. Move on to mascara because the same thing happened as well. I believe I started using the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, and I've tried putting eye drops in it, and it just wasn't cutting it anymore. I've used it like 3 weeks. I couldn't get any more product, no matter how many drops or anything. I can't get any more product out of it. And then I moved on to the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I wanted to give this product a try again because I felt like I loved it and then it started flaking. So I don't know if the formula started changing. Then when I opened it, it just looked totally dry and the bristles were sticking together on the brush. I've probably used it before. I must have forgotten that I have used this before and I just thought it was new. I'm just gonna go ahead and declutter this one. The new mascara that I'm using that I'm not a huge fan of because I don't know if there's just not enough product in here or if it's the formula itself. It's really thin and it's supposed to be a volumizing mascara, which I do not see anything volumizing about this. It's bare minerals. I have drugstore brands like Essence that are a quarter of price of this, you know, and it has better volumizing, better lengthening. Like drugstore ones do a better job than this high-end one right here. It is a twisted bristle right here. But like I said, I don't like the formula. It's really light. It says it's volumizing, but it's not. It's just a really light, thin mascara. I'm just gonna try to get through this and hopefully I can like switch on to a different one because I like this. Pull from my collection and using them up. That's what this is about. So I'm super excited that I'm making progress like that. I feel like I'm cheating, but it's not cheating because in the same breath, I'm getting rid of stuff that I'm realizing is old. Let's move on to foundation. Okay, so I'm currently wearing the foundation right now. It is full coverage. I'm trying something with it because this foundation does make me oily. I am actually mixing it with the Photo Focus Face Primer, the matte one from Wet n Wild. So far, eyeliner. So good. I've probably had this on for only an hour. The shininess that you see is the highlighter, so it's not shiny yet, thank goodness. I was able to let it kind of settle down for the few weeks, and I am able to mark it. I am currently at this line right here. When I first started using this, I shook it up and I realized I probably shouldn't have done that, so that way I could get like my first intro mark. We'll see on the next update where I am with that. This is the Balm Springs Longwear Blush in the shade In Full Swing. The brush I'm using is a big brush, so it's hard to like try to dip my brush in this pan. I know it's kind of big, but considering this is like a huge brush, I'm kind of just like literally digging in this. And you guys know I love blush. I'm not wearing any bronzer today, but I literally pack on the blush because I know that my cheeks are really oily, so they always soak up my blush. So I'm always going extra ham, and I always put it all over my face. You guys already know this if you watch my tutorials or get ready with me, as y'all know I love putting blush everywhere. We'll see how far I can get. There's really not much of a dip or anything going on in this product yet. This next product is my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the shade Fishnet. I always try to keep it sharpened to have like a nice point because it goes up into my upper tight line, so I don't want like a chubby type of point. It's the same thing, the same progress as my Trestique. There it is right there. Currently right now, I am not really putting eyeliner in my lower lash line, like in my lower waterline, just because it closes the eye and it makes the eyes look small. I don't want to do that, and I want to look nice and wide awake, so I've been either putting no liner in my waterline, or I've been putting a type of like cream beige or white liner in my waterline. This is just going on my upper tight line, so I don't know how far I'm going to get with this, but I'm literally using this like almost every day. It's also super opaque, so you know, you don't really need that much for these gel liners. I guess that's another reason why it's kind of taken me a long time. Like, I love that liner. It's so good. There is my e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush Duo. I'm just going to use the highlighter side right here. I've been taking the pictures flat like this so you guys can see what it looks like. So you can see that there is a significant dip going on. It's just like, boop. I am making progress here. I'm super excited. If I can't get it good on my camera, then I'll just insert the pictures instead. I feel like pictures do so much better. You can capture more with pictures than you can with video. And let me know if you're doing any type of summer project pans, because I love project panning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget about my giveaways that are both on my YouTube and my Instagram, different prizes. I guess that is it. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.